Hello everyone, welcome to Pixa Spark. In this tutorial, I'll show you on how to style a contact page. In the previous video, I did show you on how to create a contact form and copy and paste that shortcode onto your contact page. So today I'll show you on how to style a contact page from start. So let's go ahead and add a page. In our WordPress dashboard, I'll go ahead and click this option which says add page. Once I do that, I'll go ahead and close this and I'll add a title which says contact us. So this will be the title of our page. I'll go ahead and click this option which says edit with Elementor. Once you do that, we have a couple of options widgets here on our left hand sidebar. So I'll go ahead and click this option which says container. So here in the layout settings, I'll make some few changes. I'll keep all these settings as it is. I'll just change the direction to horizontal, and I'll align for align items. I'll keep this stretch, and then we'll go to the style settings. Here I will add a background image. So for our hero section, we will have a background image. I'll choose an image from my media library. Here I'll go ahead and select this image. Once you do that, I'll change the position of this image to sender and I'll select no repeat. For display size, select this option which says cover. So the entire background image displays perfectly. Once you do that, since we'll be adding a title heading to this background image, in order for that to show up perfectly, we'll need to keep a background overlay. So here I'll go ahead and click this option which says background overlay setting, and here in background type I'll select the color and keep this as this. Here I'll change the opacity to 0.85. Go ahead and adjust this background color, or keep a hex code which I like. Yeah, if you have a particular background overlay hex code, you can go ahead and add that as well. So once we are done with that, go ahead to the advanced setting, and here I'll change the padding of the image. Here, padding of this container. So I'll put this as 240. But as you can see, since my values are linked to the shows 240 on all sides, so I'll unlink. I'll keep this as 0, even the left as 0. And for the bottom, I'll keep it as 120. So you see, this is the perfect size for a hero background. So once you have this, displays perfectly. Here I'll add a heading. Here I'll input contact us, and I've selected heading 2, and displays it perfectly. Only thing is it's not visible entirely, so I go ahead and click on style settings and change my text color to white. Now as you can see, displays here perfectly. So once we are done with that, we'll add another container. So here you do have various options, so I can work with which layout would you like to use. As Elementor has various options that you can work with. I'll choose Flexbox, and here we'll choose a layout, a 2-column width layout. So on one side we will have our contact form, and on the other side we'll have our contact details. So here I'll change the color into background. I'll keep this color for the time being. You'll be able to change the background color to whatever color you would like using this color picker. So once we do that, once you do that, I'll add a heading here and here. We'll add whatever title we like. Reach out. To us. So once we enter this title, if you like to change the style of this title, you can go ahead and click the setting and again change the text color. Maybe we can keep this as gray instead of black. Okay, so once you're done with that, we'll go ahead and add one more widget below which says icon list. I'll go ahead and search for the widget. Icon list. Yeah. Here you'll be able to add whatever you like, your address, for example, and here you'll be able to change your icon. So I'll go ahead and select map, insert. Okay, so once you're done with this, let's go ahead and change the next item as well. Here we mention this as phone. I'll change our icon, phone, and we wouldn't want one more item to show up, so just cross that out. Okay, so once you're done with that, if you would like, you'll be able to add more widgets. Like for example, if you would like to add social buttons, be able to add that social icons, for example. And here you'll be able to style your social icons the way you like. Facebook. If you do not want official color, you can change it to custom. Here you'll be able to change your I think I'll just keep it as black, the primary color, and I'll just go back to content, and here I'll choose this alignment so it displays here perfectly. So we'll be able to add whatever details we want. If you want to add more details, you can go ahead and click this option which says add element. Here you have various widgets that you can work with. If you want to add a button, if you want to add Google Maps below, you'll be able to do that as well. Okay, so once we are done with this column, let's go to the next column, and here we'll add a contact form. So here I would add widget which says shortcode. It shows up here. I'll just drag it, place it here. So now we will go back to our dashboard to get the shortcode of our previously created WP form or contact form. So here we'll select WP forms, and we've already created our simple contact form. Just go ahead and click edit. In my previous video I have shown you on how to create the simple contact form and how to embed it on to a contact page. Here again I'll show you on how to get the shortcode of this particular contact form. I'll select shortcode, I'll copy the shortcode, I'll go back to our contact us page. Here I'll paste this shortcode, and as you can see a contact form displays here. So next I'll go to the advanced setting and change this padding to 10, or maybe I'll just keep it as 20. Next we'll be able to align it if you like, and we'll be able to change the setting and so on. Here you'll be able to change the background if you like, and change it to white. Now this displays perfectly. So this is a step-by-step guide on how to style a contact us page. So as you can see, my contact us page displays here perfectly. Once we are done with this, we can go ahead and click publish. And we can go ahead and have a look. You can see our contact us page displays here perfectly. So I would not like this to show up here. So what I'll do is I'll go back to edit page, and I'll keep this title as hidden. I'll click on save and go ahead and view this page. So once you do that, you see our contact us page, it displays here perfectly. So this is a simple tutorial on how to style or edit or create a contact us page from scratch. In the next video I'll show you on how to edit a particular page or how to create a professional page from scratch using various elements or widgets from Elementor. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.